go.
Hi everyone, welcome to Yamson. Nowadays, macrame is going really trendy in home decor as well as in other small things. So we created this small series about things we do with macrame, some small and some big projects. In today's video, we are going to create this amazing macrame feather ombre keychain. So let's get started. Before we jump into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. For this, I am using embroidery thread in 3 different colors from lighter to darker to form an ombre effect. First, I cut a piece of embroidery thread of 12 inches. Then, take a jump ring and tie it onto the ring. Cut the remaining embroidery thread in 4-inch long pieces. After that, I place the jump ring on a hard surface and secure it with the tape. Firstly, I take the darker color and fold the thread, place it under the vertical thread. Now, take the second thread, pass the end of the thread from the loop of the first one and do the exactly same with other end. Here is a closer view. Then continue doing it. For changing colors, I form a gradient effect. First, I place 1 knot of lighter color followed by 3 knots of darker color. Then 2 lighter color and 2 darker colors knot. Then at last 3 knots of lighter color and 1 knot of darker color and start knotting with the lighter color. At the end, knot the 2 vertical threads. Comb the threads to give feathers some volume. Trim the threads to give the feather a shape. I also make a smaller one, join both with the jump ring and attach the keyring. Your keychain is ready! If you like our video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for other macrame DIYs.